Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Layal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in our last videos, we have do some exercises. Now, in this class, we are going to start our exercise number 7, adding with regrouping. It means carry sums, है ना? So look at this. Yes, add 35 and 16. 35 and 16. Okay, here is 35 blocks. 30 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. To add 35 and 16, we can use blocks. है ना? अभी हम 35 और 16 को ऐड करने के लिए किसका यूज कर रहे हैं? ब्लॉक्स का यूज कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ again here is 16 blocks. 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, now next is first add the ones. 5 ones and 6 ones make 11. 11 ones. So how we write 11 in this box? हम इसमें यहाँ पे 11 कैसे लिख सकते हैं? नहीं लिख सकते ना. So look at this. 11 ones is equal to 110 and 1 1. Write 1 in the 1 place and carry over 1 to the टेंस कॉलम. और हमने क्या किया है, जो 1 एक्स्ट्रा, एक जो 1 टेंस प्लेस वाला 1 था, हमने उसको कैरी किया है टेंस प्लेस पर. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लुक एट दिस. नेक्स्ट एड द टेंस. 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 5. So 5 plus 6 11. We write 1 here and second one we write here. So 3 1 and 1 is equal to 5. Okay, 35 plus 16 is equal to 51. Is that clear? Okay, now look at this. 26 plus 4. First, when we add this type of sums, we start from one side. हम कहाँ से start करते हैं? ones वाली side से start करते हैं. So look at this. Yes, 6 plus 4. Take your 6 finger and 4 more. Yes, and count them combinedly. What is the number? Number is 10. So what we write here? Yes, 1 and 0. Can we write 10 here? No, it's wrong. So we write 0 here on 1's place. Okay, beta. Now where we write 1? In this place. Carry. So 1 plus 2. Take your 1 finger and 2 more and count them combinedly. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we write 3 here. Okay, 3 0 30. Now next is 39 plus 3. Again we start from one side. 9 plus 3. Take your 9 finger and 3 more. Yes, 9 10 11 12. So what we write here? 2, है ना? ones place. And where we write 1? Here. Okay, now 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to what? Take your 3 finger, 1 more, and what is the answer? Answer is 4. That's why we write 4 here. Is that clear? Now next is, look at this. Again, where we start from? This side, one side, and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And where we write 0 and where we write 1? We write 0 in 1's place and 1 10's place. Okay, so we write 1 here. 5 plus 1. When we add 1 in any digit, we write just after number. So what come after 5? Yes, 6. So that's why we write 6 here. Understood? Now next is 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. Take your 7 finger and 8 more. Count them combinedly. Yes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we write here? Yes, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So what we write here? 5 and 1 here. Okay, 1 plus 4 plus 2. First of all, we add 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 is equal to 5. And what is our next digit? 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So what we write here? 7. Is that clear? Now moving to the next page, look at this, what it is. Yes, again same sum. So we do 4 more sums, then you will do by yourself. Okay. Now next is 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So what we write here in ones place? 0. We write 0 here and 1 here. Then 1 plus 7. What? 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So we write 9 here. Okay. Now next is 5 and 7. Take your 5 finger. Okay. Now count 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what is our answer? Our answer is 12. And what we write here in this place, ones place, 2. We write 2 here and 6. Sorry, and where we write 1? Here, in this place. Okay, 1, 6 and 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and 1, 8. So we write 8 here. Okay. Now next is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, yes, 9 and take 9 fingers. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 or 18. So what we write here? 18. And where we write 8 and where we write 1? We write 8 here, 8 here and 1 here. Okay, so 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and plus 1 5. So we write 5 here. Okay, now next is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, what it is? Yes, 8 and 7 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what we write here? 15. And where we write 5 and where we write 1? Where we write 5 and where we write 1? We write 5 here. We write 5 here and 1 here. And 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So we write 5 here. Okay. I hope you all understood this. Okay, moving to the next exercise. Yes, now look at this. Think smart. Guess, who am I? If 60 is added to me, the answer is 60. अगर आपके पास एक डिजिट है 60, अगर आपको उसमें आपको जो आंसर है आपका वो 60 ही आना चाहिए, तो आप उसमें क्या ऐड करोगे? What do you add? 0. When we add 0 in any digit, the answer is yes. What we get? Same answer, na? So we write here 0. अगर हम 60 में 0 को ऐड करेंगे तभी तो हमारा आंसर 60 आएगा. Okay, that's why we write 0 here. If 100 is subtract from me, if 100 is subtract from me, the answer is 0. What? आंसर 0 कब आता है? जब हम सेम डिजिट्स subtract करते हैं. It means 100. So that's why we write 100 here. Next, if 10 and 20 are added to me, the answer is 50. What? 10 and 20 added to me. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 and answer क्या है हमारा? 50. So how many numbers we add in this? 20. 20 plus 10, 30 plus 20, 50. So we write 20 here. Next is, if 90 is subtract from me, अगर मुझ में से 90 subtract किया जाए, the answer is 10 और answer है 10. So what it is? 100. अगर हम 100 में से 90 को subtract करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 10. Okay, is that clear? Now moving to the next exercise, look at this. Yes, subtracting with regrouping. Subtracting with regrouping. Okay, Subtract 17 from 34. Subtract 17 from 34. अभी हमें क्या करना है? 34 में से 17 को subtract करना है. Okay, to subtract 17 from 34, we can use blocks. Okay, first we use blocks. So here is 30 sticks and 4 more blocks. Subtract the ones. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 4 ones. So regroup 1 tens as 10 ones. 10 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 14. Okay. Look at this. 14 ones minus 7 ones is equal to 7. Okay. Now next is subtract the tens. 1 10 was regrouped as ones. So 2 tens were left. 2 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 1. Okay. Now next is the subtraction sentence is 34 minus 17 is equal to what? 17. Okay. Now do exercise. Exercise number 8. Subtract the following. Look at this. Yes. Can we subtract 3? 8 from 3? 8 क्या हम 3 में से 8 को subtract कर सकते हैं? No. That's why we carry 1 digit from 5. So here is 13. And what comes before 5? 4. That's why we write 4 here. Okay. Then 13 minus 8. Yes, take your 8 finger and count backward counting. So what comes before 13? 12. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So we write 5 here. And what we write here? 4? Yes, because here is no digit, and when 0 is subtract from any digit, what is the answer? Same. Our answer is 45. Okay. Now next is ones, tens and ones, 16 and 19. Again, we carry 1 digit from this 7 number. So here is 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to, yes, what it is? 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. That's why we write 7 here. And what we write here? What comes before 7? 6. So we write 6 here. And we write 6 here. Okay. Now next is 91 and 5. 91 and 5. Can we subtract 5 from 1? क्या हम 1 में से 5 को subtract कर सकते हैं? No. That's why again we carry 1 digit from 9. Okay. And what comes before 9? 8. We write 8 here. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is equal to what? Take your 5 finger. Okay. And count backward. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we write 6 here. And same 8. Okay. Now next is 5 minus 6. It is possible? No. Again, we carry 1 digit from here, 7. And what comes before 7? 6. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to what? 9. So we write 9 here. And 6 minus 5. Take your 6 finger, down your 5 fingers. How many fingers are left? Yes, 1. So we write 1 here. Now next is 2 and 5. Again, we carry 1 from tens place. So 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. And what comes before 6? 5. 5 minus 4. Yes, take your 5 finger, down your 4 finger. How many fingers is left? 1. So we write 1 here. 17. Our answer is 17. I hope you understood this. Now look at this. Mental math. Solve the following. Yes. 48 plus 10. 48 plus 10. plus. It means we can move forward counting. So take your 10 finger and count forward. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. So what we write here? 58. Okay, next is 59 minus 9. 59 minus 9, minus, it means subtract, and when we subtract we count backward counting. So take your 9 finger and count backward. 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51 and 50. So what we write here? 50. 50. Okay, now next is 92 minus 10. 92 minus 10, again minus, it means subtract, and when we subtract we count backward. So again 92 minus 10, it means we take our 10 fingers and count backward. 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83 and 82. So what we write here? 82. Okay, next is 50 plus 1. 50 plus 1 plus, it means forward. So 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. 51. Okay, next is 76 minus 6. 76 minus 6, again minus, subtract. So backward counting, take your 6 finger and count backward. 75, 74, 73, 72, 71 and 70. So what we write here? 70. 70, 70. Okay. Look at this. What is right here? Fill in the letters according to the answer. Okay. Where is right 82? Here. So 82. T. We write T here. Okay. 58. Where is right 58? Here on I. So we write I here. Next is 50. Where is right 50? Okay, that's why we write G here. Okay, next is 70. E. We write E here, and 51 R. Okay, TIGER, tiger. Which animal was hidden in the number? Which? Tiger. So we write tiger here. TIGER, tiger. Okay, now moving to the next page. Solving word problem. Okay, now addition. Sia has 74 flowers to make. Sia has 74 flowers. He has 74 flowers to garland. Tina bought 24 flowers to make gardens. How many flowers do they have all in all? In all, it means plus. So how we write? Like this, tens and ones, 74 and 24. Both four we write in ones place, and we write in tens place 7 and 2. Then we add this. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. To find the total number of flowers, let us add the given numbers. हमने क्या किया है? Total number of flowers को count करने के लिए क्या किया है? हमने दोनों digits को add कर दिया है. Okay, so what is our answer? 98. They have 98 flowers in all. There are 90. They have 98 flowers in all. Okay, now do exercise number 9. Look at this. Solve the following word problems. Vinu has 52 marbles. What? 52 marbles. So first 52 we write here. 52. 5 and 2. 52. Next, Irfan has 36 marbles. So we write 3, 6. Okay. So how many marbles do they have in all? In all, it means we do plus. So 2 plus 6 is equal to, take your 6 fingers and 2 more, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So we write 8 here, and 5 plus 3 is equal to, take your 5 fingers and 3 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write 8 here. Okay. They have 88 marbles. They have 88 marbles in all. Now next is, there are 48 children in a big bus. एक जो बड़ी बस है उसमें कितने children है? 48. There are 21 children in a small bus. और जो छोटी बस है उसमें कितने children है? 21. So how many children are there all together? How many children are there all together? It means again plus. So what we write here? 4, 8. There are 21 children in a small bus. कितने छोटी जो बस है उसमें कितने children है? 21. So we write 2 and 1 here. Okay. Count 8 plus 1. When we add 1 in any digit. So what we write here? Just after number. That's why we write 9 here. Okay. Now next is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That's why we write 6 here. Okay. There are 69. There are 69 children all together. There are 69 children all together. Now next is, there are 24 crayons in the box. There are 24 crayons in the bus. So what we write here? 2, 4. There are 54 crayons in the tray. 5, 4. 4. Okay. Then we add 4 plus 4 is equal to what? 8. That's why we write 8 here. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. We write 7 here. The total number of crayons is, 78. So we write 78 here. I hope you all are understood this. Now moving to the next exercise, subtraction. Okay. Sia has 74 flowers in her garden. 20 flowers fell down. अब क्या था? उसके पास 74 flowers थे. अब उसमें से जो 20 flowers है वो क्या हो चुके हैं? गिर चुके हैं. How many flowers are left in the garden? To find the number of flowers left, let us subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Okay? So ग्रेटर नंबर ऑन द टॉप. जो ग्रेटर नंबर होता है वो हमेशा टॉप पर होता है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लुक एट दिस ग्रेटर नंबर ऑन टॉप. व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट, ऑलवेज ग्रेटर नंबर ऑन द टॉप. जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो जो ग्रेटर नंबर होता है वो हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ लिखते हैं. ओके. 4, 0. When we subtract 0 in any digit, we get the number same. That's why we write number 4 here. 7 minus 2. Take your 7 fingers, down your 2 fingers, and how many fingers are left? 5. That's why we write 5 here. 54 flowers are left in the garden. Okay. Now look at this. What it is? Exercise number 10. Solve the following word problems. In a box, there were 62 pieces of chalk. There were 62 pieces of chalk. So we write 6 and 2 here. Okay. Next is 20 pieces were used. How many were left unused? अब उसमें से कितना 20 जो pieces है वो used हो चुके हैं. So we write 2 and 0. How many were left unused? So we subtract 2 minus 0. So what we write? 2 and 6 minus 2. Take your 6 finger and down your 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? 4. We write 4 here. So 42 chalks pieces were left unused. कितने pieces है chalks के जो use नहीं हुए हैं? 42. Okay. There were 58 children in a bus. There were 58 children in a bus. 23 were boys. How many girls were there? 52 चिल्ड्रन है जो, वो क्या है, बस के अंदर है, उसमें से 23 बॉयज है। अब हमें बताना है कि गर्ल कितनी है। सो व्हाट वी राइट हियर, 58, 5 and 8, and how many boys, 23. So we write 2 and 3. Okay, then subtract 8 minus 3. Take your 8 fingers and down your 3 fingers. Yes, how many fingers are left? 5. That's why we write 5 here. Next, 5 and 2. 5 minus 2, take your 5 finger, down your 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? 3. So we write 3 here. There were 35 girls. 35 girls. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Now moving to the next exercise. Look at this. Yes, practice sheet. Yes, students. Our first question is add the following. Okay, first 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to what? 9. So we write 9 here. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 39. 6 plus 2. Take your 6 finger, 2 more, count them combinedly. 6, 7, 8. So we write 8 here. Okay, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we write 5 here. Next is 9 and 1. Take your 9 fingers and one more. Yes, 10. So 10. Yes. And where we write 0 and where we write 1? We write 0 here in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. Okay. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. Next, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we write 12 here, and where we write 2 and where we write 1? We write 2 here and 1 here in 10's place. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 3, 9. That's why we write 9 here. Okay, our answer is 92. Now look at this, subtract the following. Okay, again 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, sorry, 9 minus 6. Take your 9 fingers, down your 6 finger. How many fingers are left? 3 now. That's why we write 3 here. Okay, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, take your 4 finger, down your 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? 2. So we write 2 here. Next, 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. 1. Yes, good. Now 8 minus 4. 4. Very good. Now next is 8 minus 9. Can we subtract? No. That's why we carry one digit from 9. It's 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Okay, and what comes before 9? 8. So 8 minus 1, take your 8 finger, down your 1 finger. How many fingers are left? 7. So we write 7 here. Next is 4 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So what we do? We carry one digit from 6. So 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Yes, what? What we write here? Yes, 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. That's why we write 9 here. Okay, and 6, what come before 6? 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you all understood these two questions. Now moving to the next question. Yes, what it is? Look at this. There were 35 red and blue chairs in a class? 35, red and blue. If 20 chairs were red, then how many blue chairs were left? Were there? What? What we do in this sum? Minus ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? If 20 chairs were red, then how many blue chairs were there? Okay, so first we write 35 here. 3, 5, 35 and 20. 2, 0. Okay, so then we subtract. Yes. Wait. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay, 3 minus 2. What? 1. So we write 1 here. 15. First, write in subtract sentence. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. There were 15 blue chairs. There were 15 blue chairs. Now next is Shreya has 84 stamps in her collection. She got 12 more stamps from her grandfather. How many stamps does she have in all? In all, it means what we do? Plus. हम इसमें plus करेंगे. Okay. So we write 8 and 4. Okay, and 1 and 2. Then we add. Okay. Second. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. We write 6 here. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, and how we write in addition sentence? Like this: 8, 4, 1, 2. Okay, 84 plus 12 is equal to 96. She has 96 stamps in all. So students, I hope that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you fill your book in neat and clean handwriting and send it to your teacher. Take care. Bye-bye.